Wake, wake your motherfucking asses up. This is Mother Nature time. You got that? Who's ready? I am. Well, here we go. As we could see, I don't even know what you call these plants, but or flowers or whatever. But man, I just think it looks kind of cool, y'all, with the rain and all that stuff. But yeah, too bad I can't zoom in on my phone more. But let me get closer to where was that one with the big little water droplet? I wanted to flicker it and catch it on video. Where is it at? Right here. There it goes. Bing. See, it just bounced right to the bottom one, like a little stair. That was kind of cool. Let's see what this one does. Let me record this one, see where it jumps to. We'll do this bigger one. Where is it at? Right here. Boom. Boom. Nope, I kind of damaged that one. We'll try it. I guess we could try it. No. We'll try that one. No, did not work. I'm looking, y'all, for another big one, so I think I found it. Right here. Where is it at? I need to get my finger on it. Wait. Back up. Oh yeah, there it is. Let me make sure it's the right one. Nope. Let me look at that one. Where's my finger at, man? See, I'm trying to get that one. Let's see what happens. It's so hard. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3. Oh shit. Oops, excuse my language. Did it hop over here? I don't know. We'll try. Let me see. Guess we can try that one. Oh, it moved a little bit. Oh, see if I can connect it with the other 3. Oh. Yeah, I did. See with the other 2. Oh yeah. Ooh, you guys saw that? That was dope. I picked up all 3. Now that's banging.